In this video, we'll be downloading the editing app called InShot. Now, you might be asking, why should I use InShot?
Why should I use InShot?
Excellent question, Jason. Another app that I've tried is called iMovie, which comes on every iPhone, but I found it didn't have anywhere near as many of the features that I like from InShot. So if you want to make a very simple video with just a bit of text, then iMovie could be good enough. But I like all of the other options that InShot provides. Would you like to see a tutorial on one of those other apps? If you would, let me know. Now, let's download InShot. So, open up the App Store. We're going to search for InShot. For some reason, it isn't right at the top of the list, but if we move down, this is the one here that I use. And just underneath that is the InShot subscription. Subscribing for the year gives you access to even more features, but I see that more as features that are good to have, but not necessary. Two of the main sections are the stickers feature and the filters feature. The stickers section allows you to add lots of little emojis and other things like that. The filters allows you to change the color of the whole screen. I'll go into more detail about these extra features in a later video, and definitely the one where I go through every single editing feature. So for now, I'm going with the free version. Your phone might say get or something like that, but I have the cloud symbol because I've already had this app on my phone before. So pretend this says get and click it. There we go. Now that it's downloaded, we can select open. So do that, and I'll see you in the next video.